Hello, and in this video we're going to look at the averages, mean, median and mode, and also the range. Now the range isn't an average but is often calculated with them. Now let's have a look at some numbers then. We rolled a dice 10 times and that's what we got. Now we want to work out the mean score. Now to do that we need to do two things. First of all, find the total of all the scores. So if we add up all of those, we get a total of 30. Now how many times did we roll the dice? How many numbers did we have? It was 10 times we rolled the dice, so we've got 10 numbers. So the mean is the total, 30, divided by the number of numbers, which is 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. Now last summer, during a hot week, I had this number of lollies per day. Now we want to work out the mean number of lollies per day. Two things we've got to do. Find the total number of lollies eaten. And if we add those up, we get 28. Now how many days was it? Or in other words, how many numbers did we have? We had 7. So the mean is the total, 28, divided by the number of numbers. 28 divided by 7. So the mean number of lollies per day is 4. Let's have a look at one more mean. And we've got this dice, we rolled it 10 times, that's what we got. Can you remember how to get the mean? That's it, total divided by the number of numbers. Let's get the total. 5 and 3 and 1 and 5 and all of those, if you add them up, we get 36. How many numbers were there? 10. So the mean is 36 divided by 10. 3.6 is the mean. Good. Okay, let's have a look at a different average. And there we go, we rolled the dice 11 times. And we want to know which score we got the most often. So we got 2 ones. We got 2 once, we got 2 threes, 4 we got twice, 5 we got 3 times, and 6 we got once. So 5 is the number that we got the most. We could say that's the most frequent, okay? And we say that 5 is the mode, and mode sounds a bit like most, as in most frequent. So the mode is the most frequent number. Another dice is rolled 8 times, and there's the scores: 5, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 4. Which score did we get the most? Well, we got 1 once. We had 1, 2, 1, 3. Well, we got 2 4s. We got 2 5s and 1 6. Actually, this time then, we've got 4 and 5. So when I said earlier the mode is the most frequent number, what I should have said is the mode is the most frequent number or numbers, because we've got 2 numbers that we've got more often than any others. So we say 4 and 5 are the mode. So the mode is the most frequently occurring number or numbers. Okay, trick question now. Now you've got used to that number or numbers thing. We got 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. What's the mode? Which score did we get the most of? Well, they all occurred twice, so what is the mode? Now this time, if they all occur the same amount of times, the same frequency, we say there's no mode. Okay, a little trick question there. Now let's go back to our scores when we rolled the dice 11 times. Now we're going to put the scores in order. So we'll get, is that in order yet? There we go, that's in order. And we're going to find the middle number. Now to do that, we're going to cross one off the front, one off the back. One off the front, one off the back. Front and back, and front and back, front and back. Oh, we've got the middle number. The middle number is 4, and that's got a special name, and that is called the median. So the median is the middle number, once we put all the numbers in order. Alright, let's roll the dice 10 times and find the median. Let's put them in order. There we go. And let's put them in order by doing one off the front, one off the back, one off the front, one off the back, one off the front, one off the back. Oh, we've got 2 middle numbers. And what we're going to do here? Well, what we do here is that we add them up. 3 and 5 equals 8, and then we divide that by 2. So in this case, 3 and 5 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, so the median is 4. So if we start out with an even number of numbers, we're going to get 2 middle numbers, and that's how we find the median. Okay, now the range. It's the highest number, take away the lowest. So let's look at our last example of all the dice rolling. We got the highest is 6, the lowest is 1, so the range is 6 minus 1, which is 5. So there we have it. So there's a little screen explaining the mean, mode, median and range. So the mean is the total divided by however many numbers we have. The mode is the number or numbers that occur most often. The median, put them in order, get the middle number. If there's an even number of numbers, there's two middles, add them up, divide by 2. Range, highest, take away lowest. On another section, you will find a rhyme that will help you remember that. Okay, some people prefer rhymes, some people just like it in text like that. Anyway, that's me done, and you need to now have a go at the exercises. Good luck with that. Bye from me.